Lawmakers start working on fixing what some call a broken system. School funding depends on a complicated formula involving property taxes.
And it's not just districts or homeowners concerned it's not fair. Popular local businesses say the state's recapture system hurts them, too.
For the person who wants to be that next P. Terry, it's really tough, and the property tax is part of that burden.
Austin ISD is losing more money than ever through the state's school finance system. This fall, it will cross a new milestone. More than half of the property tax dollars you pay to the district will not be spent in Austin schools.
It is a trend we followed here for years. 3 years ago, the district took in about $800 million, but got to keep nearly 80% of that. But as tax revenue rose, you see the lines get farther apart, meaning the AISD has not gotten to keep most of that extra money. By next year, the district will only get to keep 49.5% of the tax money, and the district says that problem will only grow worse. KXAN's Steffi Lee shows us the people trying to change the way Texas pays for public schools and the input they're getting from a wide range of stakeholders.
One home in particular here, we sold for $43,000, and if they were to sell it today, it'd be worth about $430,000, and they're being taxed on that difference.
Wayne Jerami with Habitat for Humanity says their homeowners are feeling the hurt. The current school funding system sends a lot of local tax dollars from property-rich areas to other school districts.
That money leaving the community is just really tough. It puts a burden on the school district. It puts a burden on the families here, the low-income families, to pay for schools in parts of the state they never even go to.
At P. Terry's Burger Stand,
It definitely affects the bottom line.
high property taxes make Patrick Terry worry about the next generation of small business owners.
It makes it harder to expand. It makes it harder to give raises. It just carries a burden.
Tax policy experts are also telling lawmakers that finding a solution that'll please everyone isn't going to come easy.
It doesn't look like we're going to be able to buy tax relief, but we may be able to limit this size of the increases.
These meetings over the complications with taxes and school funding will continue with the Texas Commission on Public School Finance through the end of the year. Steffi Lee, KXAN News.